Plie Pyrda Menteri Ketenat Water Resources uba Comingone Ombon yaka International Water Conclave Arhajar Arpusau kaba sedang nadu kahinyau tarik urempang Arhajar Arpusau State Convention Shillong haka jingadon rengkat lang u Additional Secretary Dr. Sheikh P. Ahmed IAS u Commissioner and Secretary Soil and Water Conservation u Dr. Joram Bada IAS bat kiwe ki officer. Haba ajing kran haka ni kasngi uba Comingone Ombon ulaong ka kadai kabadon kam haka jing jongi kabaman kasngi hendrei ngimat ka jing kerdu nakadaw ka jing kala kasun beneng ka jing jabo ki telong kumta ngidon kam ban pene pensa yaki bam di ki dieng ki set ki telong da ka basumar ya ka saudong saukun bat ya ka mei maryang Shushu ulaong bahani ka International Water Conclave kadai banya ta ya ther bat ya merjing mut yaki an kumno ban pene pensa yaki telong bat ya ka mei maryang Hagani kasni la samru yaki khusnam shikitu ki bajob haka jing yakop drodur mobile photography bat ki bajob haki jing shna film linkot
implementing a number of initiatives so far as water conservation is considered, and several departments are also involved: agriculture, forest, mining department, soil and water conservation, WRD, PHE, so and so forth. And since there is multifarious efforts on part of various departments of government of Meghalaya, we thought it befitting to have an international water conference so as to stamp our leadership role so far as the water conservation is considered. There is no doubt that Meghalaya has a leadership position so far as water and soil conservation are considered. So sir, as a prelude to the International Water Conference on 9th and 10th, we had planned a series of activities. We had, for instance, the PSA video competition this morning, the drawing and painting competition, then the quiz competition, and this today is a curtain raiser in connection with the International Water Conference. I would like to congratulate all the participants, all the winners, which will be announced shortly. But more importantly, the participation, the competition was intended to raise awareness on water conservation and climate change. I once again welcome all
63 billion cubic meters of water between supply and demand, which cannot be met. As simple as that. So the only way to live in future would be reducing the usage, recycling water, rejuvenating the resources, and respecting water. Nothing less than this. Because the demand have to be reduced. Because supply is almost become stagnant, or it may come down a bit. Demand management and water budgeting is what is required, and water recycling and reuse. Close to 90% flows either to Bangladesh or to Assam. So just because we are living in a paradox of plenty, whereas the rainfall would have been something like 1200 millimeters, but still we need to protect more and more water, conserve it more, and recharge our water table so that we can live a future of adequate water availability. I think from the school and from younger age, keep that in mind and take a pledge that we make this planet a better place for ourselves and also a better place for our future generation. Otherwise, definitely we may not have a good future. With these few words, I congratulate
our additional CS request all the youngsters in our state, please conserve and protect the environment in our state. Water is the essence in life, has been an integral part of our culture and tradition and daily lives in Meghalaya for centuries. However, despite this natural bounty, we are not immune to the challenges that confront to the global community in managing this precious resource. As we gather here today, we are faced with the stark reality of a world grappling with water scarcity, pollution, and climate change. These challenges transcend borders and demand a collective response from all of us. This conclave underscore the need for concentrated action to safeguard our water resource for future generations. In Meghalaya, we have recognized the importance of sustainable water management as a cornerstone of our development agenda through innovative policies, community-driven initiative, and partnership with the stakeholders. We are striving to ensure equitable access to clean and safe water for all our citizens while preserving our natural ecosystem. However, our efforts alone are not enough. We must collaborate across borders, share knowledge and best practice, and harness the power of technology and innovation to address the complex challenges facing our water resource. These conclaves provide a uniform platform for such collaboration and exchange of ideas.
A huge round of applause for the third prize winner, Risuklan Pangkon. Then I would like to call now Lasara Bhakanta, who got the second prize under. And I would now like to call the first prize, Misaka P. Lingdo, who got the first prize, Misaka P. Lingdo. Can we please have you on stage? It would seem like the artistic skill flows only in the females for this competition. So congratulations to all the girls who have won in the drawing and painting. It would seem like the artistic skill flows only in the females for this competition. So congratulations to all the girls who have won in the drawing and painting. Brown Kongla, please be ready to receive your prize. These are the first prize winners. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's not easy to have all the intelligence and knowledge stored in your head to win a quiz competition. Second prize winners, may I call upon. This is the third prize winner for the mobile photography. Second prize winner is Shri Misonwell Rangthong. Please be ready to come up on stage. Of the national category. Next we have Talo Anthony of the regional category. Talo Anthony. And the winner of the Meghalaya category, as we had seen earlier, Ram Thapa and Sanjay Paul on stage, please. Congratulations to these winners. And not only do we have only the winners, but we also